Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can perform filtering tasks by custom fields on Asana. This is a crucial skill that allows you to organize and manage your projects more effectively. Now let's get started on the process. First off, you'll need to create your custom fields. To do this, go to the project you want to customize and click on the Fields option in the top menu. Then select Custom Fields and finally, Add Field. This step is crucial because it allows you to personalize your Asana projects based on your specific needs and workflow. Now that we've done that, it's time to define your custom field. You can do this by adding a name for the field, selecting the field type, and then filling out any necessary details. For example, if you're creating a custom field for project deadlines, you might name it Deadline. Select the date field type, and then add the relevant dates. The reason we do this is to provide clear, accessible information for everyone on the team. Next up, you'll want to add your custom field to the project. You can do this by going back to the project, clicking on Fields again, and then selecting the custom field you just created. This helps us because it ensures that your custom field is visible and usable within the project. Now, onto the main event, filtering tasks by your custom field. To do this, click on the Filter button in the top right corner of your project screen, then select Add Filter. From there, you can choose your custom field and specify the filter parameters. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is scanning all the tasks in your project and filtering them based on the criteria you specified. This allows you to focus on the tasks that meet your specific needs. Finally, remember that you can save this filter for future use by clicking on Save View for Everyone. This ensures that you and your team can quickly and easily access this filtered view whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've just learned how to perform filtering tasks by custom fields on Asana. This process is a fantastic tool for streamlining your projects and making your workflow more efficient. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.